All right, where's all my car people? This car had a misfire, low compression on the number 4. I've got this whistle here. We're gonna get it up on top dead center. It didn't want to whistle. Let's go ahead and go another little bit. We should hear it. There it goes. Coming up. And we're gonna put it about right there, top dead center. We can put some air in it. We don't want to hear this air come out anywhere. We can hear it out the intake. You can hear it out the oil dipstick, wherever it is, or the exhaust. In this case, you can also hear it out of another cylinder, the one right next to it. Hopefully you can hear that. It's actually coming out of that other cylinder. Go back to the exhaust. You can hear it pretty good back yonder. So we think it's got a burnt valve.